What happens when virtual reality and augmented reality meet artificial intelligence? The answer isn't just better visuals, it's smarter, more immersive experiences that actually adapt to you. In VR, AI can generate worlds on the fly. Training simulators adjust for your skill set, NPCs respond naturally, and environments evolve as you interact. So every experience feels unique. In AR, AI powers object recognition. Picture your AR glasses instantly spotting tools on your bench or overlaying step by step instructions on where you need to drill or screw without ever looking away. AI also makes interactions seamless. Voice gestures and facial expressions become the controller. Instead of navigating clunky menus, you just act naturally and the system understands. Then there's adaptation. In VR, AI predicts your movement to reduce leg and motion sickness. In AR, overlays stick perfectly to physical objects even when lighting shifts or you move quickly. And for creators, AI changes the game. 3D models, textures, and even full environments can be generated instantly from a simple description, saving time and locking bigger, bolder ideas. So when you combine artificial intelligence with virtual reality and augmented reality, you're not just exploring digital worlds, you're stepping into experiences that learn, adapt, and evolve with you. And that's the future. For more videos on engineering or electronics, make sure to visit eevids.com.